Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact, and click on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of your contacts, tap on this little X next to the one that you wish to get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!